the biggest singing competition in the world is back. The quest to find the voice of the next generation continues.
Nakakabata talaga when you're surrounded by adorable kids.
Hindi ba parang nasobrahan naman?
Ganun talaga. Kasi may mga bago tayong superstar coaches na tatawag sa aking kuya. Basta, hanggang kuya lang ha, huwag na susobra sa tito o lolo.
Sa pagka-fresh mo ngayon, Baby Billy na ang itatawag nila sa'yo.
That's the goal. We're so excited to welcome our new coaches this season.
Hello everyone, I can't believe I'm here. Una niyo ako nakita sa The Voice as a blind auditions ko and now as a coach.
And for the very first time, meron tayong double chair.
Buti na lang pwede yung 2 chairs no, B2. Kasi kung hindi, kakandungin kita eh. Sige na nga, B1, panganay ka naman eh, kahit by 45 seconds lang. Pero anyway, excited na kaming marinig ang boses ng mga kabataan.
New coaches, new chair, and a new twist. The replay button. Ito ang second chance na ibinibigay sa superstar coaches na magpalit ng isip after a no-chair turn audition o kung walang umikot na coach para sa talent during the actual audition. Isang pindot lang dito, pasok na ang talent sa team ni coach. The coaches may only use this once during the blind auditions. We are all set. Let's welcome the new season with a special performance from your superstar coaches. From Team Believe, Billy Crawford. Para sa Jewel Squad, Julian San Jose. And our newest coaches for this season, all for Project C, Zach Tabudlo. And to lead Ben Cada, Paulo and Miguel of Ben and Ben. Kasama ang inyong lingkod, Ding Dong Dantes. This is The Voice Kids.
Puso, we are back! Bago natin marinig ang boses ng talents na sasalang sa ating first day of blind auditions, let us formally welcome our new superstar coaches, Coach Zach, na-graduate din ng The Voice Kids, and Coach Miguel at Coach Paulo of Ben and Ben, na uupo sa kauna-unahang double chair ng The Voice sa Pilipinas. Pero syempre, gusto ko muna tanawin sina Coach Billy, Coach Julie, kung may message at advice ba kayo sa ating new coaches?
Ako, sobrang excited ako sa magiging journey ninyo and good luck sa inyo, guys. Kasi grabe, roller coaster emotions ang mararamdaman nyo dito.
Ay nako, sobra. Welcome guys. Basta
Salamat.
huwag nyo lang akong sabayan pag umikot ako, please lang.
Oh, Zach,
Yun lang.
narinig mo yun. Huwag daw natin sasabayan.
Parang
si
di ko
Coach Billy.
mapapromise yung
Yung
Kuya
dating
Billy.
coach namin, si Stel Bully yun eh.
Ayun.
Naku po.
Ayun lang. Opo.
Hello po mga kapuso!
Yeah!
Hey!
At kagaya ng napanood nyo kanina, yes, we have a new twist this season, yung replay button. Okay? The replay button na maaari nyong gamitin para bigyan ng pangalawang pagkakataon ang mga kiddie talents to prove themselves. Kaya, good luck, coaches. Good luck sa inyo. Bago syempre magkainitan, gusto ko muna magpasalamat kay Mark Lopez and the band. Maraming salamat po. And Axis Dancers, thank you for such a beautiful opening number. Thank you very much. Mga kapuso, humanda na kayo para sa mas palaban na kantahan, mas malupit na agawan at mas matinding kulitan dito po sa pinakabagong season ng The Voice Kids!